Join me as I challenge myself to transform my online earnings by adopting a winning mindset. Let's see if it really makes a difference. Today, we're going to talk about the most critical factor that separates successful online earners from those who struggle to make ends meet. It's not about the strategies or tactics, but about the mindset you bring to the table. A winning mindset can make all the difference in boosting your online earnings, and that's exactly what we're going to discuss today. When it comes to earning money online, most people struggle with self-doubt. They constantly question their abilities, wondering if they're good enough or if they're just fooling themselves. This lack of confidence holds them back from taking risks and pursuing opportunities that could potentially change their lives. On top of that, the fear of failure is a major obstacle that prevents people from taking action. They're so afraid of wasting their time and energy that they end up doing nothing at all. Then there's the issue of staying motivated. Let's face it, making money online can be tough, and it's easy to get discouraged when things don't go as planned. Without a clear direction and purpose, it's easy to lose steam and give up. And finally, there's the lack of persistence. Most people expect overnight success, but the truth is, making money online takes time, effort, and perseverance. When things get tough, they're quick to throw in the towel and move on to something else. Having a winning mindset means that you're able to overcome these common challenges. You're able to believe in yourself, stay focused, and keep pushing forward even when the going gets tough. So how do you develop this kind of mindset? It starts with setting clear goals for yourself. What do you want to achieve online, and what steps are you willing to take to get there? You see, when you have a clear direction, you're more focused, more motivated, and more likely to take action. Then there's persistence. Remember, making money online is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and perseverance to achieve your goals. And finally, there's positive thinking. You have to believe in yourself and your abilities, even when things don't go as planned. You have to be able to reframe challenges as opportunities and stay positive, even in the face of adversity. Let me tell you a story about someone who was struggling to make ends meet online. They were working hard, but just couldn't seem to get ahead. They were filled with self-doubt, lacked motivation, and were on the verge of giving up. But then, they made a conscious decision to adopt a winning mindset. They started setting clear goals, staying focused, and persisting through the tough times. And you know what? It paid off. They started to see results, their confidence grew, and they began to believe in themselves. They realized that they had the power to transform their online earnings, and that's exactly what they did. Today, they're making a full-time income online, and they owe it all to their winning mindset. That person above was me just a few short years ago. I want to inspire you to adopt a similar mindset, to believe in yourself and your abilities, and to start taking action towards achieving your online earning goals. The key takeaway from today's video is that having a winning mindset is crucial to boosting your online earnings. It's not about the strategies or tactics. It's about the mindset you bring to the table. Remember, you have the power to transform your online earnings, and it all starts with your mindset. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. What strategies have you used to adopt a winning mindset? Let me know in the comments. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on online earning strategies and mindset hacks.